Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will remove things like screen locks. So if you have one that you might not know, you can get rid of it this way. Now I'll mention this beforehand that if you are also logged into Google account, so as you can see I am, and you have like PIN, pattern, or password, and you do this reset, the device will become FRP locked. So once the actual factory reset is finished, you will need to verify either the previously used screen lock or the Google account. Now, assuming you don't know the screen lock, that only leaves you with Google account. Now, I'll additionally also make another video on how you can bypass this. So basically remove the protection altogether if you're interested in that as well. So anyway, let's get started with the actual reset. So I'm going to lock the device, and you can see that the device does have a pattern as a locking method right here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So to do so, you want to start off by holding the power key, then select power off, and once the tablet turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the TCL logo, hold for like a couple more seconds and then let go of those two keys, at which point you should see the recovery mode shortly after on the screen. So there we go. So from here, using only volume keys, you want to navigate down to select wipe data, factory reset, and then confirm it with power key. Then select factory data reset, and again confirm it the same way. We get a pop-up right here at the bottom, wiping data, then next thing we should see is data wipe complete. There we go. At which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once again to initiate that reboot. So this will now continue the process in the background, so just be patient. It takes about a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your tablet however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.